Namaskar. How are you? Namaskar, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am your English teacher, Shubham Dev. So, students, today I am going to teach you subject English of class KG1. So, students, today our first topic is write the capital letters. Write the capital letters. Look at the board. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. So, K L M N O P Q R S T. Okay. Namaskar, children. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Doron, can you hear me? Doron, can you hear me? Namaskar. 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 How are you? How are you? Namaskar. Students, can you see me? Can you hear me? Hello, students. Okay. So look at the board. Look at the board. Write the capital letters. Write the Don't put your earphones, headphones, put your headphones. Put your headphones. Put your headphone. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Don't, do you hear me? Okay, so students, look at the board. Our first topic is write the capital letters. Our first letter K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Look at the board. Don't make a noise, students. Don't make a noise. Look at the board. Our first capital letter is K, Say with me. Say again. K. Say loudly. K. What is this? It is K. Capital K. Next. What is this? It is capital L. M. What is this? It is capital M. What is this? Tell me students, what is this? What is this? It is capital N. What is this next? What is this? Tell me what is this? It is capital O. What is this? It is capital B. What is this? It is capital B. What is this? It is capital Q. Zahid Zaima. Zahid Zaima, can you see me? Say yes, sir. Put your hand. Say yes, sir. Do you see me? Okay, very good. Very good. Look at the board. R. S. What is this? What is this? It is capital S. It is capital S. Next. What is this, children? What is this? Tell me what is this? T. Very good. It is capital T. Okay. So this is our first class work. And today we go to our second class work. That is write the next letters. Write down on your copy book. Write down on your copy today's class. Our second topic. Write the next letters. Okay. Write the next letters. K. What is the next letter? What is the next letter? K. What is the next letter? L. Very good. L is the next letter. Very good. Ranita Bhagat. Look at the board. K. Next letter L. M. What is the next letter? M. What is the next letter? Huh? N. Very good. Very good. N is the next letter. N is the next letter. Very good. Very good. Ranita Bhagat. Next. O. What is the next letter? O. What is the next letter? P. Very good. Very good. O and the next letter is P. Next letter is P. P. Very good. Very good. Q. Next letter is R. Ranita Bhagat. Can you hear me? Put your hands. Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. Look at the board. Q. And the next letter is R. Okay. S. What is the next letter? S. What's the next letter? S T. Very good, very good. S T. Soprabo Haldar. Soprabo Haldar. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. Look at the board. Look at the board and read attentively. Look at the board. Read attentively. S and the next letter is. What is the next letter? What is the next letter? T. T is the next letter. Okay, clear? Okay, repeat again. Repeat again. K. And what is the next letter? L. L is the next letter. N. N. What is the next letter? N. N. Soprabo Haldar. N. Next letter is N. N. Okay. O. What is the next letter? Sagarika Chaudhary. Sagar Chaudhary. Soprabo Haldar. Don't make a noise. I request you, don't make a noise. O. Next letter is P. Very good. Very good. P. Q. What is the next letter? Q. What is the next letter? Say loudly. Say loudly. Repeat again. Q and this letter is R. Very good. Very good. It is R. R is capital letter. Next S. Which is the next letter? Next letter S. Next letter. What is the next letter? S and the next letter is T. 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 T is the next letter. Okay? Clear? Clear? Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Okay. We go to next topic. We go to our next topic. I hope you all write down to this lesson what you did on the board and write only on your copy book. Write on your copy book. Come to the next topic. Students, come to the next topic. Okay. Open your book. Open your book. Students, open your book, page number 3 and 4. Open your book. Open your book. Everyone, open your book. Open your book, page number 3 and 4. Page number 3 and 4. Open your book. Okay. Our next topic. Reading the words. Reading the words. Our next topic. Zahin Zaima. Do you hear me? Sagarika Chaudhary Das. Say yes, sir. Put your hands. Put your hands. Say yes, sir. Oh, very good, very good. Oh, very good. Look at the board. So, children, open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Page number 3. Page number 3. Page number 3. Okay. Look at the board. Okay. A. Tell me. Which word makes A? A for? A for another word. Tell me another word. Small word. Tell me another small word. Okay, very good. Ant. Ant. Dolon. Dolon. Do you hear me? Dolon, do you hear me? Say yes, sir. Put your hands. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Look at the board. So A for ant. Ant spelling A-N-T. Tell me. A-N-N and T. Ant. Ant. Okay, very good. Next word. A-double-S. A for A-double-S. Sagarika Chaudhary Das. A-double-S-S. A-double-S. Okay, don't make a noise, please. Don't make a noise. A-double-S. S. Okay. Okay. Next word. B-A-T. B-A-T. What is spelling? Tell me what's the spelling? Bat. Very good. Ranita Bhagat. Ranita Bhagat. Don't make a noise. Look at the board. Look at the board. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Very good. And next word. What is the next word? Before. Tell me a small word. Tell me a small word for B. Bat. Another word before. Tell me another word, small word. Tell me another small word. Bat is done. Next word. Okay. B-A-double-L. Ball. B-A-double-L. Ball. Look at the board. Zahid, look at the board. Look at the board. Ranita Bhagat, look at the board. B-A-double-L. Ball. Oh, sorry. B-A-double-L. Ball. So B-A-T. Bat. B-A-double-L. Ball. You can write on your copy book. Today's class work. You write on your copy book. Okay. So next word. Jump to the next word. Okay. Next word. C D. C for cat. Very good. C for cat. C for C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Tell me. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next. C-O-W. C-O-W. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Okay, cow. So let us see and make two words reading the words. C for C-A-T cat. C-O-W cow. C-O-W cow. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Children, don't make noise. Okay, look at the board. D. D for? D for? Tell me D for? Tell me a small word. D. D for? Okay, very good, very good. D O G. D O G. D O G dog. D O G dog. Okay, our next word. Tell me another word. Tell me another word. D. D for? D for? Zain Zaima, tell me another word. D for? Another word. D for? Dolon? D O double L. D O double L. Doll. D O double L doll. Okay, so repeat again. C C A T cat. C O W cow. D for D. D for D. D O G dog. D O G dog. D O G dog. Next. Huh? Look at the board. D O double L doll. D for? Okay. Soprabo Haldar, don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. I request you, don't make a noise. Silence. Keep silence. Keep silence. Keep silence. Look at the board. So this is our third class work. This is our third class work. Okay. Okay, students. I hope you all write down today's lesson. What we did on the board. See you again in the next class. Till then, stay safe at home. Namaskar. 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 Namaskar.